Have you noticed how the high-protein vegetarian trend is taking over kitchens and social media feeds in 2025? From busy students to health-conscious families, everyone wants meals that are affordable, quick to prep, and packed with enough protein to power weight loss and daily energy. In fact, global searches for vegetarian protein meal prep are up 38% this year. That's the fastest-growing segment in health and lifestyle. Nutrition scientists now confirm what top channels like Downshiftology and Clean and Delicious are showing with viral videos. A plant-based weekly prep focused on protein isn't just for vegans. It's a proven pathway to better health for anyone. According to Stanford's latest study, people who switch to high-protein vegetarian meals for just 3 months see 25% higher fat loss and muscle retention compared to typical plant diets. And meal prepping these recipes saves more than time. It cuts weekly food costs by $35 to $50, beating out most healthy diet products. Let's talk sources and technique. Getting vegetarian protein doesn't mean eating tofu every day. The world's healthiest plant-based eaters combine a medley of protein sources each week. Chickpeas, 15g protein/cup, lentils, 18g, tempeh, 20g/serving, Greek yogurt, up to 20g/cup, eggs, 6g/egg, cottage cheese, seitan, 21g/serving, black beans, pumpkin seeds, and high-protein grains like quinoa and buckwheat, 8g/serving. Batch prepping means you roast trays of mixed vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, zucchini, broccoli, with olive oil and spices for flavor. Cook quinoa, brown rice, and red lentils in big pots, then portion out for bowls, salads, and wraps. Bake or stir-fry tofu and tempeh with ginger garlic sauces or marinated in spice blends. Prep overnight oats with nuts, seeds, and yogurt for breakfast, and whip up chickpea salad or veggie-loaded cottage cheese as a snack. Pro tip: rotating at least 7 different protein sources weekly maximizes absorption and muscle repair. Recent data shows vegetarians doing this report more energy, faster recovery, and 20% less cravings during their weight loss journey. Here's your step-by-step week. Sunday is Prep Power Hour. Start by roasting and seasoning all veggies for the week. Boil a large batch of quinoa, brown rice, and red lentils. These are the main bases for most meals. Grill or pan-fry tempeh and tofu in bulk, adding variety with different seasonings. Try Mediterranean herb blends one day and spicy Asian marinades the next. Prepare chickpea salad. Mix canned chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, parsley, and lemon juice. Make hard-boiled eggs and prep a Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and berries in jars. Store everything in labeled, clear containers.